Ginger Ale. Yep, that's the name of the colour of this car, Ginger Ale Metallic. What an absolutely beautiful, beautiful example it is. Ford Kuga 2 litre TDCI Titanium X 4x4. It's the 2 litre diesel, 180 brake horsepower. Absolutely magnificent example. Registered in January 2015. Fantastic service history, superbly spec'd, the Titanium X is top of the range. This also has the appearance pack as an option and the convenience pack. It is beautiful all the way around, absolutely gorgeous, great spec as I mentioned. Panoramic roof, privacy glass, full leather seats, heated seats, reverse camera, roof rails. I'll mention all those as we go around. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful this car is. Electric tailgate. Nice easy loading area, lovely and clean. It's got the chrome protector there, stop the bumper getting damaged. Good sized boot, split folding rear seats, got the rear luggage cover. It's got the boot liner to protect the carpet as well. Car comes with a spare wheel, all the toolkit, locking wheel bolt, all there complete. Nice easy height to load you straight in. It really has been very well looked after. All the bodywork is lovely and clean, no major dents, scratches, scrapes anywhere. It's got the mud flaps on it. All the wheels are very good condition, the odd tiny mark, but no major chunks out of any of these. It's got matching Toyo tyres all the way around, all of them in great condition. All down the sides, all the bodywork, lovely and clean. They've got the black mouldings protected the wheel arches as well. Close up with the near side front wheel. Again, as you can see, no major damage. Tyres in good condition. It's got front parking sensors as well. Headlight power washers all across the front. Again, obviously for the age and the mileage you will get a few stone chips, but again no major scratching, scuffs or big scrapes anywhere. Hence we did the video to show you we have nothing to hide. Full transparency, good close-up, so that you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. It's had front and rear brakes not too long ago. We've just carried out a full service on the vehicle and replaced the cam belt as well, the all important cam belt. So you've got nothing to worry about with the cam belt, that's been done. And there's a final tyre again, plenty of tread, plenty of life left on that. All the door trims in great condition. Full leather upholstery, which is in beautiful condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Rear centre armrest and cup holders. Rear picnic tables. Of course, the tilt and slide panoramic glass sunroof. These really are great value for money. Again, the driver's door trim, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, got the folding mirrors too. Electric seats. And just look at the condition of that upholstery. Hardly anywhere at all for a 2015 car. Front centre armrest. USB AUX input. Plenty of storage in there. Again, all the dashboard in lovely condition. 72,000 miles, 72,377. That's all it's done. 72,377 with great service history. Keyless start. Sony sound system. That controls all the media input, the stereo, the navigation, the Bluetooth, and the screen is just in front of you there. You can adjust the sound system. Forward sync. Again, all the settings on there, straightforward. CD player. DAB radio. Great sound system of the vehicle.
Morning, it's Radio 1 Dance Weekend and it's now.
So all very, very straightforward. Dual zone climate control, heated front windscreen, 6-speed manual gearbox, cruise control and speed limiter, again you've got the menu in front of you, the onboard computer, again you've got various functions on there. Change the stations.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Say the device name, like phone or USB. Main menu.
You've got voice activation.
Phone.
No phones have previously been paired with SIM. Please use the screen to pair a phone.
So you can use the features to dial somebody on the phone or to get to the navigation or change radio stations. Just makes it a little bit safer. Reverse camera. Sunglass storage. So you've got one touch. Very quick and easy to open the sun blinds or the roof. Just makes you very, very light and airy inside. Great feature. Electric folding mirrors. So just fantastic specification, superb example. We have 2 sets of keys, we have complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP deal. Apply direct off our website. Alternatively, please give us a call. Always here to help you. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve to ensure nobody else beats you to it. And remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. But at least you know the car is safe and reserved for you. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We're open Monday to Saturday. Any further information, give us a call on 01782 822 700. So there we have it, our absolutely stunning and very rare Ford Kuga Titanium X TDCI with the options of the convenience pack and the appearance pack. Phone number again 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.